Of you. Yesterday we were doing inverse trigonometric function, differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. So today we shall continue more problems on inverse trigonometric functions, a very important aspect, and one question will be asked in this and it carries 3 marks. Normally 2 marks, sometimes 3 marks also. One question will be definitely asked on inverse trigonometric function. So we should write down first all inverse trigonometric function. First one, dy dx of sin inverse x is 1 over, which we have derived yesterday. Please see this list also yesterday I gave, and we put a big box also. Dy dx of cos inverse x is minus 1 over root of 1 minus x square. Then dy dx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 over 1 plus x square. Dy dx of cot inverse x is minus 1 over 1 plus x square, and dy dx of secant inverse x is 1 over x square root of x square minus 1, and dy dx of cosecant inverse x is minus 1 over x square root of x square minus 1 over x square root of x square minus 1. I have also told you whenever it starts with c minus sign, here also c minus sign, here also c minus sign. So this list is there. We will go ahead with the problems, and this list yesterday I have given, and I told you to put a box, and I have also told you to mug up this formula, very important formula, and one question will be definitely asked. Now you take differentiate with respect to x, the following: differentiate with respect to x tan inverse e to the power of x. Tan inverse e to the power of x, very important problem. This is a combination of inverse trigonometric function as well as chain rule. Now it is tan inverse x, you take it as y. Y is equal to tan inverse e to the power of x. Now tan inverse x is this 1 over 1 plus x square. Instead of x, here it is e to the power of x. You should know, instead of x, it is e to the power of x is there. So tan inverse x, when you differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx will be equal to tan inverse e to the power of x, that is 1 over 1 plus x square. Tan inverse x is 1 over 1 plus x square. Here it is 1 over 1 plus e to the power of x whole square, because x is e to the power of x. Instead of x, e to the power of x is there, e to the power of x whole square into d by dx of, into that is a function of a function e to the power of x, or it is 1 over 1 plus a to the power of m to the power of n is a to the power of mn, e to the power of 2x it is actually e to the power of 2x into e to the power of x. Your final answer is e to the power of x by 1 plus e to the power of 2x. This is the answer. So very important problem. You got e to the power of x by 1 plus e to the power of 2x. Take one more. Differentiate, say secant inverse e to the power of x. We should take secant e to the power of x, call it as y. So here also function of a function. This is one function and this is another function. Now when you differentiate, dy by dx is equal to secant inverse. We should take this secant inverse, and x is e to the power of x here. So it is 1 over secant inverse x is x, e power x into square root of e power x whole square. Instead of x, e power x is there, minus 1 into d by dx of e power x. That is 1 over e power x into square root of e to the power of 2x minus 1 into e power x. Differential coefficient of e power x is e power x. You can cancel e power x, e power x. Answer is square root of e to the power of 2x minus 1, and this is the final answer. I hope all of you understood. Instead of x, e to the power of x is there. Same thing, x root of x square minus 1 into d by dx of e power x. E power x gets cancelled, and answer is 1 over 2 root e to the power of 2x minus 1. We will take next problem. Log x. Differentiate sine inverse log x. It is, take it as y. Y is equal to sine inverse log x. Instead of x, log x is there. You have to apply the formula. Sine inverse x is 1 over root of 1 minus x square. In fact, this is x actually. Now when you differentiate dy by dx, it is 1 over square root of 1 minus log x whole square. Very important thing is log x whole square into d by dx of log x, because it is a function of a function rule, or it is a chain rule. 1 over root of 1 minus log x whole square into d by dx of log x, or it is 1 over square root of, keep as this, log x whole square as this, into 1 by x, or your final answer is 1 by x into square root of 1 minus log x whole square. This is the answer. 1 over x square root of 1 minus log x whole square is the answer. Understood? Instead of x, log x is there, and you have to apply the same formula and then do. Now you take this particular thing, a cot inverse say 4x square. Cot inverse 4x square, instead of x, this is 4x square is there. Call it as y. Y is equal to cot inverse 4x square. You have to apply cot inverse is minus 1 over 1 plus x square, and the whole term 4x square is x actually. Now when you differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to minus 1 over, because cot starts with c, minus 1 over 1 plus x square. So now it is minus 1 over 1 plus x square, 4x square whole square into d by dx of 4x square. 1 over minus 1 over 1 plus 4x square whole square into d by dx of 4x square, that is minus 1 over 1 plus 4 square is 16, x square is x to the power of 4 into 4 into 2x. Differential coefficient of x square is 2x. Our answer is minus 8x by 1 plus 16 x to the power of 4, and this is the final answer. I suppose you have followed. Very important thing, differentiate e to the power of sine inverse x. E to the power of sine inverse x, important problem for examination. E to the power of sine inverse x, take it as y is equal to e to the power of sine inverse x. Now take sine inverse x as x, this sine inverse x as x, so it becomes e to the power of x. When you differentiate e to the power of x, e power x as it is, that is e power sine x as it is, into d by dx of sine inverse x. So y is equal to e to the power of sine inverse x. When you differentiate dy by dx is equal to e to the power of sine inverse x as it is, e power x into d by dx of, that is very important, into d by dx of sine inverse x, or it is e power sine inverse x into d by dx of sine inverse x is, you know already, 1 over root of 1 minus x square, or your answer is e power sine inverse x by root of 1 minus x square. This is your dy by dx. important problem for examination. E power sin x as it is into d by dx of sin inverse x 1 over root of 1 minus x square. One more we will do. Now, e to the power of cot inverse x. Suppose if they ask e to the power of cot inverse x, take it as y. This cot inverse x is nothing but x, e power x differentiation dy by dx is e power x, that is e to the power of cot inverse x into d by dx of cot inverse x. Or we will differentiate dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to e to the power of cot inverse x into d by dx of cot inverse x, or dy by dx is equal to e to the power of cot inverse x into d by dx of cot inverse x is, you know, there minus 1 over 1 plus x square, or it is minus e to the power of cot inverse x by 1 plus x square. This is the answer. I suppose all of you are following. Now we shall go to very important problem for examination, sin inverse cos x. Y is equal to, so y will not be given, you should take y, differentiate sin inverse x of cos x. Here is a very important problem. This can be done in two ways. Both the ways I will show, but second way you adopt. Here when you differentiate, this is x actually. This is x, that is when you differentiate dy by dx is equal to 1 over root of 1 minus x square. Instead of x square, it is cos square x into d by dx of this cos x. Understood? Sin inverse cos x 1 over root of 1 minus x square is cos square x into d by dx of cos x, that is 1 over root of 1 minus cos square x into d by dx of cos x is minus sin x, or it is minus sin x by cos x is minus sin x by root of 1 by, what is 1 minus cos square x? 1 minus cos square x, you know it is sin square x. So it is root of sin square x, or it is minus sin x by sin x. Root of sin square x is sin x. Answer is minus 1. This can be done in other way also. I will show you the other way, and you have to do it in examination. Use it second way. What I am going to do now, use that way. That is the easiest way, and that is the way you have to do it in your examination. Now y is equal to sin inverse cos x is there. Here y is, you don't differentiate directly. Y is equal to cos, you should convert in terms of sin, because when you convert in terms of sin, you know the formula I gave you the first day. Sin inverse of sin x is x, cos inverse of cos x is x, tan inverse of tan x, inverse of that particular function is always x. So convert this cos into sin. So how will you convert? Sin inverse, write sin pi by 2 minus x. Whenever you are converting, write the complementary angle of that. Whenever you write the complementary angle of cos x, you should write sin and pi by 2 minus x. First quadrant, and pi by 2 is there, sign changes to cos. So sin inverse of sin pi by 2 minus x you can write, and y is equal to sin inverse of sin theta, sin inverse of sin, this is theta, x. Sin inverse of sin x is x, pi by 2 minus x. Now you differentiate with respect to x. Left side dy by dx is equal to pi by 2 is a constant 0 and minus 1. X is 1. So answer is dy by dx equal to minus 1. So if you want, you can do it this way, but in most of the problems we have to do this way. This is the easiest way you have to convert cos to sin, and you will get the answer. dy by dx is equal to minus 1. You take one more problem. Now, tan inverse cot x. Tan inverse cot x you have to differentiate. Take y is equal to tan inverse cot x. Or I told you, if you want you can go by 1 plus 1x square, 1 plus cot square x into d by dx of cot x. Or you can do it this way, tan inverse, you convert the complementary angle of cot x. You can write it tan pi by 2 minus x. Tan and cot are cofunction, or y is equal to, understood how we wrote cot? Tan pi by 2. Suppose if it is cot inverse tan, then you can write tan also cot pi by 2 minus x. It is tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus x, or y is equal to pi by 2 minus x, differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to pi by 2 is 0 minus 1, or it is dy by dx is equal to minus 1 is the answer. dy by dx equal to minus 1 is the answer you get. I suppose you have followed. Very important thing. Some 2-3 problems I will give you. Do it in the house. One is differentiate with respect to x, e to the power of secant inverse x. Second one, secant inverse cosecant x. And third one, cosecant inverse e to the power of x. Please do these sums in the house. And here e to the power of secant inverse x into d by dx of secant inverse x. Here it is convert cosecant also secant pi by 2 minus x. Secant inverse secant pi by 2 minus x is secant x, and then x pi by 2 minus x, answer will be minus 1 for this. This you take it as x minus 1 over e power x square root of e power x whole square minus 1 into d by dx of e power x. Please practice well. Mathematics is practice, 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 then you will become master. There is no other substitute for mathematics. You have to go on practicing, practicing, and practice makes man perfect. Now that is about this thing. Now you take, you can't thing we are taking differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions, inverse trigonometric functions, differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions by substitution method, very important, by substitution method. One question will be asked by substitution method, and of course this will be repeated even when they do inverse trigonometric function also. The same thing will be done, but for the differentiation. But anyway, we will do it. Mr. Yes, Raymond also will teach you when he teaches inverse trigonometric function. Some of the problems will be common for both. Now it is called inverse trigonometric function by function by substitution method. Very important is we have to substitute and then do. So one problem will be there. There are standard problems. We should do standard problems. And one first problem you can take, differentiate sin inverse 2x by, very important, sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. It is called substitution method. You cannot take this whole thing as x and then 1 over 2x 1 plus square root of 1 minus so much whole square into d by dx. We should not do that. You have to do substitution. Here I will tell you one hint, and in substitution method, most of the problem you have to substitute x equal to tan theta. Most of the problems we have to substitute tan theta, 90% of the problem. And few 10% of the problem you have to substitute according to the situation, circumstance of the problem. Here most of the 90% of the problems you have to substitute x equal to tan theta. That doesn't mean that all to be substituted by x equal to tan theta, but few 90% of the problems you have to substitute x equal to tan theta, and 10% of special problems you have to substitute according to the situation and circumstance of the problem. Now you take y is equal to, let y is equal to sin you 3 marks take it, 2x by 1 plus x square. I told you now, just now I told you, put x equal to tan theta. You should not differentiate directly, put x equal to tan theta. This, after writing this step, immediately you should write by the definition of inverse function, what is theta? Theta is the moment you put x equal to tan theta, theta is equal to tan inverse x, you should write. Immediately you should write x equal to tan theta implies theta is equal to tan inverse x. Now substitute x equal to tan theta. Y is equal to sin inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. You write y is equal to sin inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan, because x equal to tan theta. There is a formula, you know, you should note, sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by, last year I have given you very important problems, formula. Sin 2 theta can be written as 2 tan theta. You can simplify and see 2 tan theta, it is like this. 2 tan theta is sin theta by cos theta into 1 over 1 plus tan square theta is 1 over cos square, 1 over secant square theta, that is nothing but 2 sin theta by cos theta into cos square theta, or it is 2 sin theta cos theta, that is nothing but sin 2 theta. All these things we did not show. You can remember formula, sin 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square. This is one of the golden formula. There are 4 golden formula in trigonometry, I told you, and this is one of the golden formula. Now y is equal to sin inverse, you can write sin 2 theta. Y is equal to sin inverse sin 2 theta. And what is sin inverse of sin theta? I told you, sin inverse of sin x is x. So you should note, y is equal to sin inverse of sin 2 theta. Here I am doing it. Y is equal to sin inverse of sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 theta. Sin inverse of sin x, instead of x, 2 theta is there. 2 theta. Y is equal to 2 into, what is theta? You know, theta is nothing but tan inverse x. You should write y as it is. Now you differentiate with respect to x, you get dy by dx is equal to 2 over 2 into 1 over 1 plus x square, because tan inverse x differentiation 1 plus x square. Answer is 2 over 1 plus x square. Very, very important problem for examination, and this question will be asked, and they give 3 marks for this question. So sin inverse 2x over 1 plus x square, put x equal to tan theta, theta is equal to tan inverse x. Now when you substitute 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, sin inverse sin 2 theta, sin inverse of sin x is x, 2 theta, here all y only, no differentiation. Here in the last step, 2 tan inverse x, now you differentiate, answer is dy by dx equal to 2 by 1 plus x. Now we shall take one more, with the same thing, we will change it and rub this. Cos inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Same thing, cos inverse instead of sin inverse, cos inverse. Very important problem for examination. Take y is equal to cos inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. So write cos inverse 2x by 1 plus x square you can take, and y is equal to cos inverse 2x by x square. Same thing I told you, most of the problem you have to put x equal to tan, like previous problem, same thing. This implies theta is equal to tan inverse x. Once you put x equal to tan theta, by the definition of inverse trigonometric function, theta is equal to tan inverse x. Y will become cos inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So when you are putting x equal to tan theta, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, I told you the formula. What is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta? Previous problem you can also see, it is nothing but sin 2 theta, not cos 2 theta, it is sin 2 theta. Now cos inverse sin 2 theta, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, you can write, I told you one of the golden formula, and it is sin 2 theta. Now you tell me, yes, now you tell me how to convert. You cannot write directly. Now cos is there, sin is there, this also has to be converted to cos, then you will get cos inverse of cos x is x. How to convert this sin 2 theta into cos? Now y is equal to, what you can do is, I told you complementary function, cos of pi by 2 minus 2. Very important step is this. Sin 2 theta you express, when you are expressing you can write cos 90 minus 2 theta. That is nothing but first quadrant, and it is sin 2 theta. So whenever you write complementary angle, you can write pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Now cos inverse of cos x, this is x. Cos inverse of cos x is x. Y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta, or y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. What is theta? Theta is tan inverse x, or it is from 1, if you want you can call it as 1, from 1 you can call it, or directly also you can put. Now once you differentiate, now y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x, or when you differentiate this, dy by dx dy by dx is equal to, this is constant, pi by 2 90 degree is a constant, it is 0, and it is minus 2 into tan inverse x 1 over 1 plus x square, and answer is minus 2 by 1 plus x square. What is the difference between this and the previous problem? It was, when it is sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square, it is simply plus 2 by 1 plus x square. Whenever it is cos inverse 2x by 1 plus x square, it is minus 2 because of this. Sin 2 theta, you have to change it to cos, then take theta tan inverse x, then differentiate, you get minus 2 by 1 plus x square. Please go through this, a very important one, and this is commonly asked question in examination. Now we shall go for this. Take it as y. Y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Here, put x equal to, as I said, most of the problems you have to put x equal to tan theta. So put x equal to tan theta here. Put x equal to tan theta. The moment you put x equal to tan theta, theta will be tan inverse x. The moment you put x equal to tan theta, theta will be tan inverse x, or y will be cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Another problem I told you, another formula, another golden formula. This is also one of the golden formula. What is that 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta? it is nothing but cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is a very important formula. I told you there are 4 golden formula in trigonometry. This is the fourth of it. Actually, this is fourth golden formula. We are using it. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is cos 2 theta, or y is equal to cos inverse cos 2 theta. Y is equal to cos inverse cos 2 theta, or y is equal to cos inverse of cos x is x 2 theta, or always we are keeping y only, we are not differentiated yet. Y is equal to 2 into what is that theta? Theta is nothing but tan inverse x, or y is equal to, as I now differentiate, when you differentiate dy by dx is equal to, this is 2 into 1 over 1 plus x square. Answer is 2 by, please note, the answer is 2 over 1 plus x square. I will explain again. X equal to tan theta. Theta is tan inverse x. We have substituted x is tan theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is nothing but cos 2 theta. This is what we are putting. And cos inverse of cos is 2 theta. Theta we have substituted back tan inverse x. Then differentiate till such time don't write dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to 2 over 1 plus x square. We will take the same problem and change cos inverse to sin inverse. Now you take sin inverse, same thing, 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. We shall take sin inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Y is equal to sin inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Put x equal to tan theta. This implies theta is equal to tan inverse x. Put x equal to tan theta and theta will be equal to tan inverse x. Now y is same thing we should substitute. Cos, instead of cos inverse, sin inverse 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, or it is y is equal to sin inverse, what is this 1 minus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta, cos 2 theta. Here your intelligence comes sin inverse cos 2 theta. You cannot simply write 2 theta like this because it is sin is there. Here it was cos inverse cos 2 theta. Here it is sin inverse cos 2 theta. We have to convert this cos into sin. I told you whenever it is a complementary function, cos can be changed as sin pi by 2 minus sin theta. Y is equal to sin inverse sin pi by 2 minus theta, pi by 2 minus 2 theta it is. This is nothing but sin inverse of sin x is x, pi by 2 minus 2 theta, or y is equal to substitute back for theta minus 2 into what is theta? Theta is tan inverse x. Now you differentiate dy by dx is equal to, this is 0 minus 2 into 1 over 1 plus x square, tan inverse x differentiation. Answer is minus 2 over 1 plus x square. See the difference here, minus 2, here it is plus 2. Plus 2 by 1 plus x square. Here it is, whenever it is changed like this, sin inverse 1 minus x square over 1 plus x square, it will become minus 2 by 1 plus x square. Up to this same step, up to this, here you have to change it to sin pi by 2 minus 2 theta and then do the problem. I suppose all of you have understood. Now we shall take the next problem. So these two things you should note. Here also 2x by 1 plus x square also. Now you take theta is equal to tan inverse x. Once you put x equal to tan theta, you have to write theta is equal to tan inverse x and y is equal to tan inverse 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. tan inverse 2 tan theta x ಗೆ tan theta substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. You know again formula tan 2 theta is nothing but 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So y is equal to tan inverse 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta will be substitute tan 2 theta. Now it is tan inverse of tan x is x. Tan inverse of tan x is x, or y is equal to 2 theta, or y is equal to 2 into theta. What is theta? Theta is tan inverse x. So you put tan inverse x. Now differentiate with respect to x. You will get dy by dx is equal to 2 over 1 plus x square, because differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 over 1 plus x square, and dy by dx is equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. Now similarly we take tan inverse ideyala, we take it as cot inverse and then do. That is also important. We take instead of tan inverse x, instead of tan inverse x, we take y is equal to cot in, suppose differentiate ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು y ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Cot inverse same problem 2x by 1 minus x square. Instead of tan, it is cot. Same thing, put x, don't put x equal to cot theta, put x equal to tan theta. Put x equal to tan theta. The moment you put tan theta, this implies theta is equal to tan inverse x, or y is equal to cot inverse 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So you are putting x equal to tan theta, 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, or it is nothing but y is equal to, see here already tan 2 theta is there. This is nothing but cot inverse y is equal to cot inverse tan 2 theta. Here the difference between here and here, it is tan inverse tan 2 theta, you wrote directly 2 theta, but here it is cot inverse tan 2 theta. You should convert tan also into cot, a complementary angle I told you. So what you should do is y is equal to cot inverse cot y by 2 minus 2 theta. Y is equal to cot inverse cot pi by 2 minus 2 theta is right. Now y is equal to cot inverse, understood, tan 2 theta should be written as cot, and then you should apply the formula cot inverse of cot x. It is pi by 2 minus 2 theta, or it is pi by 2 minus 2 into theta. Theta is nothing but tan inverse x, or when you differentiate dy by dx equal to 0 minus 2 by 1 plus x square. Our answer is minus 2 by 1 plus x square. Very important thing, please see the difference between this and this. When it is tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square, it is 2 over 1 plus x square, and whenever it is cot inverse 2x over 1 minus x square, it is minus 2 by 1 plus x square. Very, very important thing. You should not forget anything they may ask, because sometimes they give this problem, because you commit mistake here. Don't write directly 2 theta, it is pi by 2 minus 2, they purposefully give this problem instead of that problem. Now take this. Important, and this year also they have given for examination. This question they have asked this year. Differentiate tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. This is a question. tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square is the problem. Very important problem. They have asked this year also. So maybe your chance also to get. Y is equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. That is y is equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. Here you should be very careful. Put x equal to same thing I told you. 90% of the problem you have to put x equal to tan theta. Now x equal to tan theta, immediately it implies theta is equal to tan inverse x. Now you are putting y is equal to tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Put x equal to tan theta wherever x 3 tan theta, tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. You know the formula, there is a formula, tan 3 theta is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So there is a formula, tan 3 theta is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus tan. So whole thing can be substituted as tan 3 theta. Y is equal to tan inverse tan 3 theta, or y is equal to tan inverse of tan 3 theta. Tan inverse of tan x is x 3 theta, or y is equal to 3 into what is theta? Theta is nothing but tan inverse x, or differentiate dy by dx is equal to 3 over 1 plus x square. Answer is 3 over dy by dx is 3y by 1 plus x square. Very important formula and very important problem also. We have to put, see here, x equal to tan theta and theta is equal to tan inverse x, and y is equal to tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This is nothing but tan 3 theta, 3 tan dy by dx, 3 over 1 plus x square. I think with this we shall close, and please try to do, and next class we shall continue some more problems on inverse trigonometric function, and then we shall take a very important chapter, logarithmic functions. Differentiation of logarithmic function we shall take up. Afterwards, differentiation of parametric functions are also there, and afterwards differentiation of one function with respect to another function, and afterwards second derivative, so many things are there. Now with this we shall close, and I will give you two problems. Please do this. Sin inverse, we have already done this. Again, please do it. Cross inverse and cot inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x. Differentiate with respect to x. These three problems: sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square, cos inverse 1 minus x square or 1 plus x square, and cot inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x.